Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to resize plot area in column chart. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first create the column chart. Simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column chart option. So here I select the 2D column, the first charts, and you can see the column chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the charts. Okay, and to resize the plot area, you can see here the keep cursor on here. See that this is the plot area. When I click on here, you can see the selected area is a plot area. Okay, so you can easily resize it. Just drag the corner point and resize the plot area. You can resize those you want. So see, so this is the way you can easily resize your plot area. Again, if you want to change the size, just click on this plot area. Again, drag the corner point and you can easily change the size of the plot area. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.